Buckle Up Georgia is back on the road, and we met up with Coach Tim Barron at Villa Rica High School to showcase our VR in VR.
You're watching the car going down the road, and it looks like, it barely went off and just that small mistake. And then when it started flipping, you're seeing things go everywhere and bodies move. You just don't realize at that speed that, the damage to a vehicle and the damage and what it's going to do to somebody's body. We went on a spell about 3 years in a row where it seemed like every year we were losing a kid to a car accident. And the effect that it had on our school was tremendous. The sadness in the building, kids walking into a classroom and there's an empty seat.
So we put a couple of players behind the wheel to drive the point home.
It didn't look like it was going 60. It looked like it was going way faster than it was. The wheel jerked and started flipping, and you couldn't really see anything.
You should always wear your seatbelt. You never know what's going to happen. One day you could just be like, don't want to put it on, and then end up like people in the video.
Just to see it live in that video and to get to kind of experience it in that virtual reality, puts it in perspective that, hey, 65, 70 miles per hour is very fast, and it's awfully dangerous if you're not doing things right. Maybe the next time that kid will think twice about not buckling the seatbelt or, driving while looking at his phone or, any of those things.
You can also check out our VR rollover crash by going to gpb.org/buckleupgeorgia.